What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, what do we have going on today? There's a small company, Amazon. They just started distributing the off-road lights on Amazon. They saw the last video that I posted with the lights, and they said, hey, how about we send out a couple of the lights that we have, put them on the H2, test them out for a little bit, see what you think about it, make a video, post it on YouTube, and you can get to keep the lights. So I figured, hey, why not? Free stuff. I never say no to free stuff, though. I'm sorry. By the way, I've been sick for the past week and a half or so. I've been like crazy sick. And finally, now that I get my voice back, I'm making this video. What are the lights? What do they look like? They're right here. This guy's right here. You're looking at 7-inch LEDs. Now, if you were to get this light, this is exactly what you get. If you only order the lights, you're gonna get two of these guys with that much wire and this little base right here with the two screws you're looking at right there. They also distribute a little bracket. It's these guys right here. You can put it anywhere you want. They send it to you with these little rubber pieces. You use them depending on where you want to put the lights on. In my case, if I want to put the lights on the bar up front, I would put the rubber piece right there, this guy as a base right there with the other half. You can see right here, and you get the idea. So you have that on there, you end up with a hole so where you can put the other screw in. Now these guys are distributed separate, same manufacturer, but it's a separate product. And again, as always, I'm going to provide links in the description of this video to these lights, the little brackets. They also got some other lights, like underglow lights for off-roading. I'm going to put links on the description to all the products that they have. Now, as far as the wiring harness go, they do not sell a wiring harness as of right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use another wiring harness which is similar to the one for that light that we have up there. It works the same way. The light that I have up there is 300 watts. These lights are 240 watts. So I got another harness, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these two guys installed. We'll be back and I'll show you what it looked like, and then we'll do the trick that I always do where I tap on the lens and we go back and forward from day to night so you can see exactly how much lights these guys put out. So we'll be back in a second. Gonna tap on the lens now. We're gonna go back to darker time, and we'll be back to daylight to end the video. So let's do the countdown. It'll be 1, 2, and 3. All right, there you have it. That's how much light they put out. There you go. I want you to show you again. See, the one on top is off. It's only the two that I turn it on. Doesn't do much justice showing you down the block, but that's how much light they put on. I'm gonna turn on, let me see if I can turn on the light on top right now so you'll see the difference. There you go. See that? With the light on top on, off, and that's on again. That's what it looks like. And I want to show you one thing though. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but both lights put out about the same amount of light. They're different manufacturers, but there's not a lot of difference in between the two. Sometimes when you got different lights from different manufacturers, you see a difference on the glow, but luckily, on my case, you don't see a lot of that. So there you have it. Again, I'm gonna post links on the description for that big light in case this is your first video. just go ahead, check out the description. I'm gonna post a link for the light on top, these two guys over here, the wiring harness. One thing for the wiring harness, whatever wiring harness you get, if you do get the one on my description, make sure that you use at least a 30 amp fuse. If you put anything lower than that, the fuse is gonna blow pretty much every time you use the lights. At least that's what happened to me with the top light. The one on top is a 300 watt. These two guys are 240 watts, but I got the same issue with these two. If you put a fuse that's actually not, I think a 25 amp fuse is gonna do it for you. So again, there you have it. That's what it looks like. We're gonna do time travel again, and we're gonna go back to daylight. And hope you guys like the lights. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Again, if you like the lights and you want to check out all the other lights that they distribute in Amazon, go ahead, check out all the links in the description. And hopefully you like one of the lights, or maybe you're gonna head and order all the lights that they distribute. Unfortunately, they only send me these two guys. That's all I can show you. I'm gonna email them again, and hopefully they'll consent and send me some of the other stuff that they distribute, and I'll find a place on the EH2 to put more lights. Not that too many lights are gonna help you on the trail though, but anyway, so it's always nice to have a set of extra lights when you're out in the dark, especially if you're in the woods or in a deep place like that. So, again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.